Here we go, Racci 13s, 2-box break, 11-12 certified, and the new Prime Signatures football. Let's start with football. There we start with number 16 of 99, Masked Marvels dual jersey, Andre Pavlik. Collision Course, Shea Weber. Nice. Number 200 of 499, Freshman Fabric Signatures, Jake Gardner. Jake Gardner, rookie jersey autograph. Nice. Certified Potential, Joe Colborn. Base. Number 99, Fabric of the Game, short print, Nicholas Backstrom. Base. Masked Marvels, Jonathan Quick. We've got a redemption for a freshman signatures, number 191, Zach Ronaldo. Final pack of the certified hockey. Has a mirror red, number to 199, Mike Richards. That's that. Now we are on to the Prime Signatures football. There, let's pull this off the back. Number to 499, Emmett Smith. Ron Mix, also to 499. Everson Walls, numbered 6 of 99. We've got a rookie autograph, number 126 out of 199, Mark Herzlich. And a rookie autograph parallel, I think, maybe? I don't know. Numbered 16 of 25, Phil Taylor. 25, Phil Taylor. So there we go, buddy.